Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Voice Master installed, mic drivers active, and permissions granted. First, open Voice Master and sign in, then pick your input device and set the sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz for stable quality. Once done, set buffer to 128/256 to balance latency and dropouts, lower for live performance, higher for stability. Make sure background apps are closed to avoid interference, and create a new project so you can begin routing audio immediately. Now you configure processing chains. Route your microphone to the main channel and enable monitoring so you hear changes in real time. Apply a gentle EQ to remove muddiness, add compression to even dynamics, and set a noise gate to cut background hiss. Adjust thresholds slowly while speaking. Once comfortable, use built-in presets as starting points, then build a chain of effects and save a custom profile. This lets you recall consistent vocal tones across sessions without retweaking each knob. Finish by recording multiple test takes and checking levels to avoid clipping. Aim for about 6 decibels of headroom. Once satisfied, export files with the correct sample rate and bitrate, for example 48 kHz and 24-bit for high quality. If you encounter latency, glitches, or no audio, troubleshoot. Restart Voice Master, reset the audio driver, increase the buffer size, or disable other apps that use the microphone. If problems persist, reload your saved profile and rerun the test to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.